Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious no-churn ice cream using just a few ingredients. First, gather your essentials: 2 cups of cold heavy cream, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure your heavy cream is very cold. This is key for achieving the perfect whipped texture. This easy recipe means you won't need any fancy equipment. Next, pour your 2 cups of very cold heavy cream into a large mixing bowl. Using a stand mixer with a whisk attachment or a hand mixer, whip the cream on medium-high speed. Continue whipping until stiff peaks form, meaning the cream holds its shape when the whisk is lifted. Be careful not to overwhip, as this can make your ice cream grainy. Now, gently fold the entire 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk into your whipped cream. Be sure to mix it in carefully to maintain the airy texture. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic ice cream taste. This is also the perfect time to add any desired mix-ins, such as chocolate chips, cookie pieces, or fresh fruit for a personalized treat. Finally, pour your delicious ice cream mixture into a freezer-safe container, like a loaf pan or a plastic tub, and cover it tightly with a lid or plastic wrap. Place it in the freezer for at least 6 hours, or preferably overnight, until it's completely firm. Once frozen, scoop and enjoy your homemade no-churn ice cream. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.